2014 Volkswagen Passat Highline. And this is my vehicle here that I've purchased 2 months ago from Favor Motors, the dealership I work for. And the reason why I bought this vehicle is to improve my credit. Like a lot of us out there, we don't have the greatest credit scores, but the fastest way to improve your credit would be applying for an auto loan. And that's where the 12-month credit rebuilding program happens. Whereas you purchase a vehicle, you keep it for 12 months, make the payments on time, don't add any collections, and clear any collections that are on your credit bureau as we speak today. And after 12 months, you'll be able to trade in the vehicle, get into a newer one, and at the same time rebuild your credit and get a lower interest rate. So think about it and give the TheFinanceConnect a call today.